and welcome to today's tip. Now I'm going to show you how to make some really funky modern sentiments to add to your cards. Now I've got a Happy Days stamp here, and I've got my archival ink, and I'm just going to ink up my stamp and then add these on right in the center. Now I've cut these down, but I might need to cut them down a little bit more. And I'm just going to do 3 of them actually whilst I'm on, and I will show you 3 different ways that you can make these look really funky and finish them off nicely on your card. Now I've just got a really, it's 0.4 fine black pen here. Now one of the options is just add some sort of dots in the corner, make it look like it's pinned on, like so. Looks pretty simple, but it's quite a nice effect. Or you can do something a little bit more modern. Add some lines down the side. Now it's kind of doodling. Now I'm just going to add some lines on here as well, just to really finish this one off. So you can pretty much do whatever you like. I might leave a line there for the Y. Look how funky that looks. It's so simple, it's so easy. This one I'm going to add loads of lines in because I've got lots of space on this one. There we go. Look how cool that is. You can even cut them down if you like. I might just do my dots on this one. I'm going to make them bigger though. Look at that. So simple, so easy. I wanted to show you how they looked on some cards. I've just done the plain dots here on this one. I've done the lines on this one. Don't they look really, really lovely? And here's a couple of others. So here I did the dots and I just left them off there. So I hope you've enjoyed this tip for today, and I look forward to seeing you next time.